In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the handlebars on our Venom 110cc mini Madix. So first thing, we're going to need 4 handlebar mounts and 4 bolts to go with it. That'll be in your bag. So for the bottom of your handlebar mount, this is what it would look like. And the top has little grooves in it, just like so. So we're going to start right here. Slide our bolt through and just lightly tighten it. After that, we'll grab our other set of handlebar mounts, slide it through, and we kind of want to align it just a bit like that with the grooves. Grab our second bolt and just lightly tighten it. From there, we'll finish with our last 2 bolts. Lightly tighten all 4. And then finally, we'll tighten all of them. And that is how you assemble the handlebars on our 110cc mini Madix.